think? Do you want to do knot tying first or look at the bankard repair?
Bankard repair.
Okay. Now, if we look at this shoulder, this is designed such, if you are, this is a patient, this is the head end, this is the foot end. You are standing behind. So this is posterior aspect, this is anterior aspect. You know that the glenoid is like a pear. So the bigger part, lower part is bigger and the top one is thinner. So this is the pear. So this is how we are trying to resemble it. And this is the capsule all around, which should be flush like the labrum is like this normally. But here we have taken it off. So labrum has come off. So now what we are trying to do is apply this labrum back here. Now the way to do that is you have normally one posterior port that you make. So by this you are viewing. So from this port you are viewing. So basically this is the viewing portal. So you are viewing here, and these are the two operating portals, the superior portal and the anterior portal. Correct. So this portal we make just above the subscapularis, so that we can reach wherever we want. We want to go to 6 o'clock position. We want to go to 4 o'clock position. We want to go to 3 o'clock position. We can change the positions, and this is basically to retrieve the threads of the anchor, shuttling or not retrieving the threads. So let's start. Like we are viewing. Give ego dena mere ko.
Which portal is for shuttling?
Generally we use the anterior portal for putting the anchor, and anterior superior portal for shuttling the threads. Let's have the drill and. यहाँ पर कौन है सर? आप हो? बताओ ना क्या चाहिए हमको फर्स्ट सबसे पहले? हमको चाहिए वो टोकार और कैनुला ना, एंकर लगाना है। पूछ क्या रहे हो तुम? एंकर लगाने के लिए क्या चीज़ चाहिए सबसे पहले? एक टोकार दो और एक वो दो। कौन सा एंकर है यहाँ पर? कौन सा एंकर है यहाँ पर?
Yes, sir.
एक एंकर, कौन सा एंकर है हमारे पास?
बायोरेप्टर एंकर है सर।
एक बायोरेप्टर। Let's show the anchor first.
Right side shoulder.
Sorry?
Right shoulder is
This is the right shoulder. Patient arm is like this, and you are standing here as a surgeon. This is the posterior aspect. Let's look at the anchor first. Then you will understand the configuration and how we are going to do. So this is BioRaptor. You can see this is a push-in anchor, right? So in push-in anchor, there are two kinds of anchor. One is screw-in, you tap and screw, and one is push. You just make a drill hole, and then which is slightly smaller than the anchor, and you just hammer it in. So this is exactly what this is. This is the push-in anchor. So what we are going to do is
fish mouth पहले लगाएं.
फिश माउथ दे दीजिए और वो दीजिए इसका टोकार और फिश माउथ दे दो पहले. स्लीव ठीक दो दे दो. So depending on which thing you are using. Now this is a sharp trocar. You shouldn't be using sharp trocar. Generally we use a blunt trocar here, but because it's a bone model, it is okay. You can see this is called fish mouth sleeve because it's mouth like a mouth of fish. So it's got two ends which go and sit on the glenoid. This is the surface of the glenoid like this, so that it doesn't slip.
Right. Other options also.
So this is the blunt trocar, right? This is blunt. This is cannulated in case you want to do cannulated also.
There are other options for the obturator also.
This is a standard another one, fish mouth, another one which
Spiked
is spiked one, right? And this is again this is a fish mouth again, correct? So yeah. So once we have put blunt trocar, we go through the port. Let's first make
5 o'clock.
this is less than 5 o'clock. This is 3 o'clock. Let's make that anchor. So
Hammer.
Hammer with the hammer. Can somebody once stabilize this? So gently, yeah. Just a second. No. That's what exactly I was saying. You have to be sure that your anchor angle is correct. Now maybe
Should be
this.
on the face of glenoid or on the edge.
Yeah, it should be at the face of the glenoid. Because this is a wooden model, we may have difficulty in putting, because generally that is soft cartilage and this anchors quite well. And also we are lacking the light that we normally need. This kind of, that's fine. Yeah, so you don't have to hammer. You can take this out. Can we have the drill now, please?
Yes, sir. So what should be the angle?
Yeah,
Should be
I just-
perpendicular to the face of the gear or?
No, it cannot be perpendicular. I'll just show you. Perpendicular is this. You can never have it. Normally you're coming like this. So first what you do is you engage the fish mouth like this, and then you lift your hand up like so. So you cannot go 90 because otherwise the glenoid moves away, or the humerus.
45 to
So you are about 45 degrees. And in 45 you're okay, right? If you're too parallel, you're going to skid and go into the cartilage. So this is okay. So at this stage, we would like to drill the. Can you drill for me? You hold it there, and then you drill. Now, yeah, keep going. Slowly.
How long do you have to drill for?
There is a check stop there. There is a check stop here. Can somebody hold this platform? Look, this is check stop. Now once it goes there, it will not go any further. There's a check stop. So till there you drill. Now you take it out. Yes. Now once that is done,
Even the fish mouth here.
yeah, we leave the fish mouth here. We take the anchor like this, put it here.